Programming your One-for-All URC 1916 remote to control a Hisense TV allows you to operate essential functions like power, volume, and channel changes with a single remote. This universal remote is designed to work with multiple television brands by using preset codes or an automatic search feature. Once properly paired, the remote can replace your original TV controller and simplify everyday use. The setup process only takes a few moments and ensures reliable control over your TV. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Hisense TV manually using the power button on the television. Step 2. Press and hold the TV button on the URC 1916 remote until the indicator light turns on. Step 3. Enter the Hisense setup code listed in the remote's user manual. Step 4. Point the remote at the TV and press the power button to test if the TV responds. Step 5. If the TV turns off, the programming is successful and the remote is now ready to control your TV.